Welcome to this session on Wokwi. We are going to demonstrate how to use Wokwi to develop a code on the ESP32 microcontroller. And as you know, the Wokwi is an online software, and perhaps it happens to be the best online software for simulating ESP32 microcontrollers. So, with this software, what you can do is you can design your circuit, program, and test the microcontroller circuit without the actual physical hardware. For ESP32 projects, Wokwi is especially suitable for students because you can connect the components directly. Components, I mean LED, push button switches, sensors, LCDs, relays, and temperature sensors. So we will start with the Wokwi ESP32 example to blink a LED. So the objective of this work is to blink an LED using the ESP32. So for this work, the components what I am going to use, that includes the ESP32 development board, one LED, and just a small resistor. I will assume it to be 220 ohms. Then the power supply for operating this ESP32, the positive and ground supply to operate this ESP32. So now we have opened the Wokwi. So it is the online simulator, that simulator has been opened. So inside this I will select ESP32 microcontroller. So you will get some examples like this. So here it will be showing sign in or sign up. So in that, if you have already created an account, you can just sign in, or you can go for registering your own login details. Thereafterwards, whenever you do a project, they will be stored up within Wokwi. So I will continue this with Google. So that is one more option available. So this entire task you can do with your Google account also. So already I have my own. So if you are interested, if you want, you can create your own login details. So that is one way to do this. So if you go inside this page, you can find many options available. So for example, you can use MicroPython, and OLED, that display you can make it to work. Then ESP based HTTP server, so that example is available. Then Wi-Fi scanning, many new projects are available. So I will start with the starter template. So I will select the ESP32, that simple template alone I will select. So this is, so now that the things have loaded, you have the ESP32, and you can write the code. So now I am not going to write the code. By default, there is a coding available, that is under the name Sketch, and the other parameters are added. So those things I will not confuse. So directly I am going to write the coding. So what I will do is, so as you can see here, the same C language syntax which you will use in Arduino, the same thing is used here also. So this is not the code which I'm going to use. I will just insert a new code. So this is the new code. So as you can see here, I'm just defining a pin. Any pin within the ESP32 you can select. As far as possible, a student should avoid utilizing the special purpose pins such as me receive or some pins which are involved with programming. Some of the pins of the ESP32 they may be connected with the USB programming section. So those pins you can avoid generally. Pin number 2 it is almost free. It is a general purpose IO pin. So that pin I am using for connecting the LED. So as you can see here, the same C syntax which any engineering student with C language knowledge they will surely understand this coding. So you see that we have the void setup. Void means that it is a program with no return. So for that we are using the command void setup, and I am defining the pin mode. Pin mode it is defined here, LED underscore pin, that I am defining it as output. So then I am giving the loop or the main program I am starting here, void loop. So after the void setup gets executed, the void loop will get executed. So just it does two things. In the LED pin, first it writes the value of high, then there is a small delay of 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds means it is equal to 1 second. Then we are writing a low signal on the pin. So there we are giving another 1 second delay. So this will keep on looping. So this program you need to enter in the section called sketch.ino. So now we can see how to execute this code. So when I am executing this code, you can see that the LED is blinking. So here when I now I have gone to the simulation mode. So what I am going to do is I will, where the pin number 2 is available, I will be searching. So just I am moving here and seeing what are the pins available. So where is pin number 2? 0 is available. So if you want you can zoom this little bit, then you can easily find that here we are having the pin number 2. So inside this I will add the device, add a new part. I will place it here. So LED I am moving it here. So here I have got the LED. So as I told priorly, I will add one resistor also. So resistor is available here. So its value it is given as 1K. So I don't want that value. I will change it as 220 ohms. So through this resistor I will connect this board. So now that we have to use the wire